guys, Omar Martin here, and this video is a quick walkthrough of the Buzzinar members area. Now there's a lot of pages and a lot of content inside of Buzzinar, so I can't go through everything line by line, but I do want to give you a brief overview so you have a good understanding of what you're getting when you become a member today. Now this is the welcome page, and it's the dashboard basically. Everybody has access to this page. When you get in here, you're going to see a letter from myself and my wife Melinda. There's also 3 steps for you to follow before you dive into the content. And as you can see over here in the top right hand corner, you can see all of your user details and you can update your profile as well. Now there's 3 basic levels to Buzzinar. There's the basic membership, the pro membership, and the Mac Daddy membership, which is actually the one that we want you to get. But you can choose whichever option you want on this page. I'm going to walk through what each level has access to. So every level has access to the dashboard, which is this page that we're on now. And basic members have access to these first 4 tabs. The next one being the Earn Money tab. And when you click on that, you'll see a video here about how you can become an affiliate of Buzzinar and how you can earn 50% promoting. And should you do that, over here is the tools page where you have access to really cool, robust set of tools that you can use to make money by promoting Buzzinar. Now, once that's said and done, you'll see that the 3rd tab right here, this is the thread tab. And this is cool because this is when you click this, you're actually going to see the thread PDF, and you'll be able to click here and access the thread PDF page. Now, once you're on the thread PDF page, you can download it by just clicking right here, and you'll see it opens up in a window. And you can also choose to use the actual Buzzinar plugin that's on this page to share this content. And if you do, you'll be given the password to access the video bonus. The next tab is the report. Now the report PDF basically goes over what the Buzzinar system is. There's a PDF for you to download here, and there's also an audio course. If you go to the PDF page, naturally you'll be able to download the PDF from here. And if you go to the audio course page, you can either download each chapter audio by clicking on the link, or you can expand any one of these little buttons to listen to the chapter while you're on the website. The next 2 tabs are accessible by the Pro members. Now, Pro members have access to everything I've talked about right now, plus the Videos tab and the Themes tab. And when you click the Videos tab, this really is the meat and potatoes of Buzzinar. This is the video training that goes over everything step by step. As you can see here, every single one of the videos is right on this page, and beneath each one of the videos, there's a blue resource box where you can actually take notes, you can save your notes or print them, and every single resource that was mentioned in the video can be found right in this resource box. We've got the keynote slides, we've got the presentation, we've got the PDF, and links to every single resource that was mentioned. There's a cool jump menu, so you can go back to the top from any part of the page, and you can click whatever video you want to watch right in the jump menu, and it'll take you right to that video. So very easy to navigate, lots of cool stuff. This section is going to cover the actual original Buzzinar call, funnel building concepts, strategic list building, the autoresponder, the viral squeeze, segmentation and monetization, free traffic, paid traffic, plus I've got a couple of bonus videos in here for you. Now there's a lot more. Pro members also get access to the themes. When you click here, you'll see that you're going to have access to both the HTML themes in case you want to use the Buzzinar system on your HTML sites, or the WordPress theme in case you want to use the Buzzinar system on your WordPress site. You just have to click on it right there, and you're going to see that there's a tutorial video that teaches you exactly how to install the theme and how to configure it, set it all up. Right beneath it, again, you have that resource box where you could take notes. There's some instructions here. You have the actual HTML theme download, so you can just click that button, and as you can see, it opens up to download. You've got the HTML theme PDF, which is a user's manual, and you've got links to a couple of the resources that were mentioned in the training video. As well as the HTML theme, you also have the WordPress theme. And the WordPress theme can be downloaded on the WordPress page. Again, you've got all the different components of the theme individually as well as zipped. This training video teaches you exactly how to upload and configure your theme so you can set it all up the way that you want. You can customize the theme and make it look the way that you want. And I'm actually going to show you a quick demonstration of what those themes look like in a minute. Now, the Mac Daddy members get access to every single one of these tabs in the navigation bar. And the coolest part of it is the software. As a Mac Daddy member, when you click on the software tab, you'll see that you have the HTML software and the plugin. And similar to the way that we set it up with the themes, when you click on HTML, you'll see that you have the option of downloading the software, watching the tutorials, or downloading the user's guide. And when you just click on here, you'll see that you'll be taken right to the software page where you can download it. And then if you come over to the tutorial page. You'll be able to watch the tutorial and learn exactly how to install and configure everything that has to do with your software. There's instructions here as well for you to use. And again, I'm also going to give you a quick demo of what the software does in a minute. I wanted to cover the bonus tab because this is where you get all the extra stuff. Now, depending on what level you are, you may have access to some of this stuff, but not other stuff, okay? Only Mac Daddy members have access to every single thing on the site. But first and foremost, the autoresponder sequence. And this thing is really, really cool. When you go to this page, you'll be able to download any one of the 4 autoresponder sequences so that you can plug them into your autoresponder. Then if you notice, you've also got an email marketing section where I've thrown in a bonus email marketing training video. There's an email relationship section, and there's a couple of other really, really cool bonuses like this WordPress sales graphic bonus, which is a plugin that you can install into your website and create beautiful graphics for your WordPress sites like the ones that you're seeing on the screen right now. So lots and lots of bonuses here for you to use. In addition to all the cool stuff, we've got traffic bonuses, we've got sales graphics, we've got email stuff in here, the autoresponder sequences, and we've got a resources tab with some really cool suggested products and discounts. And of course, we have our legendary support tab where you'll be able to come over here and you'll be able to get the best customer support that you've ever had with any company that you've ever dealt with, because it's handled personally by my beautiful wife, Melinda, and myself. We don't outsource support. We don't send you to some guy in some other country that can't even understand you. We take care of it personally. You can call us, you can email us, or you can submit a support ticket. We take support very, very seriously, and we're going to answer you as soon as possible and give you the best possible answer to whatever question you have. We've also got a really detailed FAQ, or frequently asked questions section over here that you can check out in case your question might already be answered. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example of each of the themes and an example of each of the software, the plugin as well as the HTML software in action right now. Okay, so here is a quick overview of the Buzzinar WordPress theme. Obviously, I'm already in the WordPress dashboard. I'm going to come over to the themes section over here. I'm going to go to Appearance, select Themes, and you'll see that I have the Buzzinar theme activated right here. And then if we go to the Pages section over here, so if I go and click on Pages, I'll be able to see all the pages that come with Buzzinar, okay? And you can edit any one of these pages by simply clicking on it, okay? So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the home page, and that is the squeeze page. And you can edit all of these very easily using the visual editor and just replace the default text with your own. I have a very detailed tutorial video that explains to you exactly how to do it, how to set it up, how to set up your web form. You can find all of this in the WordPress theme tutorial video that's located inside of your Buzzinar members area. And this is totally customizable, by the way. I'm going to show you how this looks in a second. For example, you can go and change every single one of your headers by just coming over to Appearance, clicking on Header, and you'll see that you've got various ones to choose from, and you can even edit the headers. I've showed you how to edit these headers using Pixlr and using GIMP, and you can choose from any one of these different colors, and it instantly changes the entire appearance of your site. And this is just a sample one that I put the Buzzinar logo on, but naturally you can put whatever logo you want on yours, or if you don't want to put a logo, you could just have text on there that you can actually do by just checking this little box off right here, and you can select whatever color you want. This is all built into the theme for you. And let me show you what this one actually looks like. I'll show you the actual home page. This is the squeeze page of this particular one. And this is a squeeze page that has worked very, very well for me. Naturally, you're going to format it and use the colors that you want and the actual text that applies to your particular product or your particular funnel, the way that we teach you inside of Buzzinar. But this is the entry point of your funnel. And then we've got every other page that goes with the funnel, as far as the confirmation page and even the Buzzinar inviter page, which uses the Buzzinar plugin to invite more people to the funnel, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute here. Okay, so let's go back and take a look at a couple of the other pages. I'm just going to click on Pages here, and again, this is a brief overview. I can't possibly go through every single nook and cranny of it, but let's go over to, let's say, the Step 2 page, right? And that's usually the step that we're going to be installing our inviter and installing our social sharing application so that the funnel can grow viral. And this is where you would edit that. This is the Buzzinar plugin that's already been installed, okay? And I'm going to show you how how that works in a second. First, I'm just going to click on View the Page so we can see what this page looks like. And here it is right here. This is the Step 2 page. And naturally, these are some placeholder images and just placeholder text. You're going to have to edit that and use your own text for your particular offer and funnel. This is the actual Buzzinar plugin in action right here. And as you can see, what we're doing here with Step 2 is we're asking each one of our funnel prospects to share the content if they want to receive more stuff as they go through the funnel. Okay, so by clicking this little button here in the plugin, we're going to be able to share this on Facebook. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is just a sample that I have here. So I'm just going to type in check this out, and they can share on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. There's a bunch of different things that they can do here. Just click the share button right there, and as you can see, it reveals the thank you image. And again, this is all editable. You can use your own HTML in here with the WYSIWYG that we have built into the plugin. I'm going to demonstrate that in a second. But if they were to click here, they'd be taken to their reward. And for this demo, I just have it going right to Google. So just to show you that it works. And over here, they can tweet, they can use Google+. Again, lots of stuff here to go over. This is Step 2 of the funnel. If they click here, this is the no thanks link. They would be taken to Step 3. So again, lots of stuff to go over. Let me give you a quick look and show you the plugin settings. So at the bottom of every page inside of your WordPress admin, you'll have the Buzzinar plugin controls displayed right here. And right in here, this is where you select whether you want to display images with your Buzzinar app, whether you just want to put in your own custom HTML. You can select which social networks you want to display. That way your prospects can share your funnel, or you can even require certain ones to be displayed before they get their reward. There's the sharing URL. There is the tweet, so you're going to have a sample tweet that you have to put in here that people are going to be sharing on your behalf. Then down here, you can select what gets displayed as the reward. So when they're taking to Step 3, do you want them going using one of the default images? This is where you put the URL to the bonus. Or you could display some custom stuff in here. And this is what I do personally. I give them a password to access some secret stuff, and that typically works very well. And this is the way that the Buzzinar app is set up inside of WordPress. Okay, so this is the WordPress version of Buzzinar. Once you actually have it all set up, you come down here and you get your embed code. This is the code. You copy this. You come right back up here to the top. You click that little Buzzinar button in the top of your WYSIWYG. You can just paste the code in this little box right here, and what will happen is it will install this little image right here. This is just a placeholder image for the admin, but once that's in there, wherever that image is, that's when you're going to see this application displayed on your page. Okay, so it works really, really cool with WordPress, and we have the HTML version of both the theme and the app as well. I'm going to show you that briefly right now as well. Here we are on the HTML sample. Okay, so as you can see, this one, I haven't installed a logo or anything like that. I'm just using the default title text in the top banner. I've actually used a light blue banner on this one. Again, just like with the WordPress theme, you have access to all the different banner colors. Naturally, you're going to be editing these using some sort of an HTML editor. I explain how to do this in detail, and I also give you links to some free HTML editors like Composer. And you're going to be obviously replacing all of this text. Again, this is just a sample. That's why I have this is Omar's wacky headline here. I explain how to integrate this with your autoresponder. You can use this with any one of your autoresponders. I personally use Aweber, but you can use this with any one of your autoresponders, and I explain how to do that as well. And you get all the pages. You get all the pages. I'm just going to show you that second page here, the Step 2, because it'll also demonstrate the HTML app. Okay, so I'm just going to type in Step 2 here, and you'll see this is the Step 2 of this particular HTML site. Again, this is the Buzzinar application. You can see it looks identical to the way that the WordPress one looks, and that was something that I was striving for throughout development. We wanted to make sure that the HTML version of the theme as well as the app worked and looked exactly the same in WordPress as well as in HTML, so your users will know no difference, and the app works exactly the same. I give you detailed instructions on how to upload the app to your HTML site and how to do that inside the tutorial video. Now, obviously, Buzzinar, a very, very robust product, full of training, full of resources. We're not just kind of talking out of our ass here. This is exactly what we've been doing. This is the funnel process, the system that my wife Melinda have been using to make millions of dollars online for several years now, and we're very proud of it. We go into great detail about how to set up your flows, your page flow, how to direct your customers customers to what page, after what page, you know, how to attract customers, and you're going to love this product. We guarantee it, and I look forward to seeing you inside the members area. If you have any pre-purchase questions about Buzzinar, my wife Melinda and myself will be more than happy to answer you right in the thread below, or you can contact us through the support desk. You can even call us on the number that's listed on this page. Please, please, please give us some time to respond. Depending on where you are in the world, we may need a few hours. As a matter of fact, we guarantee you that we'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. So please be patient, and by all means, use our support desk for any post-purchase issues. So if you have trouble with your password or anything like that, make sure that you use the support desk. Never, ever, ever enter your purchase receipt number or your PayPal confirmation number or anything like that on this public thread below. That just puts your account at risk. Never do that on any thread. So I hope you enjoy Buzzinar. I really, really have put my heart and soul. My wife Melinda and I really want you to take action, and we look forward to seeing you inside the members area. Become a Mac Daddy member right now, and we'll see you inside.